Hello and welcome to another Mixology Monday. I'm Robbie.
And I'm Lee. And today we're teaching you how to make the Hibiscus Sour.
All right, folks, that's the Hibiscus Sour. Hope you enjoyed us making that cocktail for you, Lee.
Yeah.
Awesome.
Yes.
Great job. What's going on here? Tell me
So
about
basically, I made a homemade Orgeat, which is basically just an almond syrup used in a lot of tiki drinks, so we made that here. And the color is coming from a red hibiscus syrup that I made as well at home, which is, I just infused some dried hibiscus flowers with some syrup and water and all that, and I've added a little bit of lemon zest in there and the juice of that lemon. So it's got took it from like a really dark hibiscus to a really bright hibiscus flavor. So that was really nice. Gave it this really nice, pretty color.
It is gorgeous, man. Screams spring. It's just very well balanced. 4-year?
4-year, yeah. So you get a little bit of that oak flavor in there. It's a bit more intense kind of rum flavor, and then
it works.
It does. It totally does work. It kind of adds a bitterness to it, a little bit of vanilla from the vanillin that's in the wood in there. So.
Nice. Well, check out our playlist for more cocktail options. This is a phenomenal cocktail, Lee. The recipe will be in the description below, along with links to our social media and things like that. Thank you so much for watching our channel and our content. Cheers, brother.
Cheers. And if you want to make these drinks or any of the other ones we posted this month, come to our next cocktail class where I'll show you all how to make these.